Hey, guys. I'm not sure if this is going to be on YouTube, but I'm recording this just in case, because there's a bunch of crazy knocking going on at my door. And, I'm going to go check it out on my phone. But, yeah. Frick. Dropping all that stuff. Weird. Alright. Okay. Sorry, this video started off a little weird. Hey guys, this is Jackson. Jackson Helms. Welcome to the channel. If this is uploaded to YouTube, this is probably the first video. I just wanted to record this because, like, there was banging at my door, and I just found this. I don't got that on camera, but it's like a SD card, and it's got like a symbol on it. I don't know, it's weird. But I'll do like another video with what is on the SD card, because I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, I guess I'll have to find out. Tape on it. I got like wire cutters or something. Like scissors. Yeah, wire cutters, that'll work. Cut all this tape off. Frick, all this tape's getting stuck in my hand. Come on. Okay, so we got an SD card. It looks like a 4 gigabyte SD card. Yeah, it's 4 gigabytes. So probably a lot of stuff in here, I'm guessing, since it's 4 megabyte. I mean, yeah, gigabytes. So let's check it out. If I could just get it open. There we go. Okay, well, I got the case open, kind of. Got it out though. So it's an Elite Pro. So I'll put it in, and check it out. Let's see. It says there's weird stuff on it, and it says I should scan it, but I don't know, man. I mean, it's just an SD card. How much could you put in an SD card? I tried putting like programs and other videos into SD cards, and that didn't work. So I doubt this is going to be any different. Hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I thought it would open already, but apparently it wasn't doing that when I did a thing. So, I'm trying to get the rest of this tape off of this cartridge. Okay, there we go. Now I can actually store that thing. Okay. Let's see, SDHC. Alright, here it is. There's the file. Alright, so there's like a video file, a WMV file called devices. So let's check it out. That's weird. Dude, what the frick? Seriously. Okay. I'm 100% sure that video is taking place on my desk, like right here. I didn't film that. Alright. That's really frickin' weird. Keep this somewhere safe. Keep it in my little bin thing here, because I got a bunch of them, and I usually use this one for stuff, so I'll just put it in here. I'm recording a thing, Dad. Thanks for making more editing for me. It's more work that I have to do now. Alright, that's weird. Okay. Well, I put it away, and I honestly have no idea what's going on. Just knocking at my door, and then just an SD card appears with video from inside my house. That's kind of creepy. We did move like not too long, just a few months ago, but it's pretty long ago. I don't know why stuff wouldn't be happening now. I don't know. I'll update you guys if anything else happens, but I'll see you in the next one.